morning, everyone. Today I am making page kits. Actually, I've been making them for several days. This is for 30 Days of Sketches, which is in October. And they're all 2-page layouts this time. And I have to say it's very difficult. And it's not difficult because it's 2 pages. It's difficult because I either have too many photos or not quite enough photos. So, or totally different size or something. So I'm just kind of working it out. But this one is actually for day 6, and it is a 2-page layout. And I think I'm actually going to set it up. It's supposed to be this way. According to my photos, but it's going to have to be this way because of the way my photos are facing. And this is Fashionista by Echo Park. I think it, oh, maybe it is, I was thinking it maybe was actually Cartabella, but I think I got it at Tuesday morning. And so in this one, we need 2 different papers and a scrap. So, or 2 papers that are probably the same, and then 2 scraps that can be different. But, so I might use these, this side, and then these, you know, cut down. And, or I might just totally go to this. Or I might use a little bit of all of it. So I'm still undecided because it's like I really like these, but then I got thinking, well, it might be fun to have a little bit of black in it, and maybe I'll just mat them in that afterward, or you know, with part of it. So these are the stickers that go with it, and then there's also the cut apart cards that I'm going to put into this. But I'm also going to be using this for, or some of this paper for another one, so I'll also be using the stickers for that too. Stickers and the scraps. So the next one is, the next one I have picked out. This is day 7. And now you can probably already tell you, I told you what I bought this for. My granddaughter's senior prom. So I'm gonna need 2 like main papers. So I'm gonna be using these. And here's the other side, just in case you wanted to see that. I mean, they're so gorgeous. Here's Prince Charming. He's looking for Cinderella, but she's in the house. Sitting by the fireplace. And then I also have these 2 gold papers that I'm going to be using. So those are going to be super fun to do. I have to do some fussy cutting. It's like, this has become the story of my life. Oh, and since there's these in here, I can maybe even mat something. So I'm going to be using these. So I'm very excited to do those. Okay, and then my next one, got glue on my finger and I can't roll it off. I got glue and ink, so they look horrible. Okay, and then this next one, this is day 12, so let me see what that looks like. Okay, day 12. I'll basically need 3 papers. 2 that are the same, which I plan on using these. And again, I brought black in, and I'm gonna do it all day because, well, I guess except for the Cinderella one. But because maybe I'll just mat it in that, because everything that I'm using has like a little touch of black. And so this is gonna be, this is not a full sheet. So I'm thinking that I might split this and put this in the middle or something. So this is for day 12. And this is, you know, got some of the same pictures as day what? Well, they're not, it's like coordinating pictures. Day 7. So I'm going to be using stickers from day 7 and the cut aparts from day 7. So these are going to be fun. And then I have to tell you, I bought 2 Halloween kits or collections last year, and the pictures that they're like too dark, as in, you know, the paper, even the oranges are dark, so it's like it's just hard to use them for when you're doing like littler kids. And so anyhow, I just pulled out some papers that I thought would go, and this is for day 13. And this one, there's basically, well, it's like it's almost a landscape look. So anyway, or you know, it's kind of an all over pattern, but it's a little bit divided. So I'm actually just thinking I'm gonna divide it and maybe use part of this and part of this, because I'm actually gonna, and then maybe divide it with this, because I'm actually gonna be doing 2 double page layouts, because it's gonna be the twins. And I also threw in the black again, just in case I want to have a little outline again, because I thought, you know, I've got this orange that will look like it's kind of floating above this black. And then I have Minte's Halloween. What is this one called? Is it called Halloween? I don't remember. I will have to look it up and I'll put it down below. But anyhow, I pulled out these because I can use these in it, and the colors will be perfect. See, now this is, I guess, how I wanted my colors, more like this, because that's, and it goes perfect with these. So that's my things that I'm going to be using for those 2 double page layouts. And so really this looks like 4 kits, but this, since I'm going to be doing this one twice, I actually have 5, and hopefully I can do more at a time. But I thought I'm just going to come on here and do these so that I can kind of put these away, because right now I've got such a mess in my art room, because I started, you know, putting, you know, fixing those collection kits and trying to make them more, well, fit in my cubbies a little better, or cubes, lots better. They fit lots better. And I'll tell you, sliding those in there now, since I put in those 9, you know, those 9 pocket plastic, well, let's see, what are they called? They're actually called photo protectors. But anyhow, page protectors for your photos. And so anyway, yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So I've been kind of doing that, making a mess, and, or actually it's just that I haven't picked up the mess. So that's it for today. I did get 4 of those collections started. Hopefully it goes a little faster. Otherwise, I calculated it would take me like 7.5 days. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.